is my helmet, my pod, my caving helmet. So you can see my headlights, first aid kit, my carbide lamp, so my cooking set, utensils for camping, my caving backpacks. So you can see caving backpack, my day pack above. So I have my mountaineering backpack, mountaineering backpack. I have my life vest. I have my shoes. So my collection of shoes for mountaineering. I have also my pants for diving. So this is my storage area for adventure. So I have my sleeping tent, sleeping mat. So I have big tents also for 8 persons. I have also some sling for harness for caving. So I have many abobot in my room.